Hi. Welcome to another mind-boiling video. Firstly, a very thanks to my regular audience. I know you are few but regular. That's more convincing for me to make more better videos every day. Hope you like my concept. Okay. So today we are going to create this. Let us begin. I have given a direct download link in the description. You can download the zip file from that given link. Extract this to unspecified folder and open the folder. Now open the people's template.aep. And hit OK. Now expand comps. Here you have logo.png file. Click on it and press Ctrl+H. And choose your logo. Now go to File menu and export it and add to render queue. Change settings like this. And press the render button to start rendering your video. This rendering process might take some time, but believe me, it's best intro for you. I think you like this. If yes, please give it the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Till then, have a good one. Cheers. Selected. Wondershare Filmora, but note, desktop, window.